Welcome to my channel for a new recipe. Today I am going to make a traditional lamb tagine with artichokes and peas. It's one of my favorite tagine. The flavors of this tagine are incredible and the artichoke and the meat melt in your mouth. It is a real delight, and if you haven't done it yet, I highly recommend it. You will not be disappointed. You will find a list of all the ingredients for this recipe in the description box. In the pot, add 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon full of ginger paste or 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, 4 minced garlic cloves, 1 pinch of saffron threads, and 1 small glass of water. Mix well all the ingredients. Then add the meat and cover it well with the mixture. I've used 1 kilo of lamb shoulder, but you can use the quantity you want. Then put the cooking pot on the stove and let the meat brown on low heat. Turn the meat time to time so it gets brown on both sides for 5 minutes. Then add 1 large chopped onion, 1 tablespoon of chopped coriander and 1 tablespoon of chopped parsley. Add 1 preserved lemon cut in quarters. Then add 1 fresh tomato minced and mix well all the ingredients. You can use 1 small lemon if you don't have preserved lemon, but the preserved lemon gives a nice taste to this dish. You can find the preserved lemon in all Arab shops. Then add 800 ml of boiling water or just enough to cover the meat. Stir a little, then cover and let it cook on low heat for 1 hour. You can also use a pressure cooker if you want the meat to cook faster. If you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe if you haven't done it yet and click on the bell to receive notifications. I post videos regularly. After 1 hour, add 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and stir a little. Cover and let it cook until the meat is tender and fully cooked. When the meat is cooked, remove it from the pot and set it aside while we cook the artichokes. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like. I've put 500 grams of frozen artichoke in water with some lemon so they don't darken and to defrost. Add the artichokes into the pot. Then add 400 ml of boiling water or just to cover the artichokes. Taste and adjust the salt to your liking. And stir a little. Then cover and let it cook for half an hour. After half an hour, add 600 grams of frozen peas, stir and let it cook for 20 minutes or until the peas are cooked. And feel free to leave me a comment if you have any questions. Once everything is cooked, arrange the meat in your serving dish. Add the peas and the sauce. And arrange the artichoke all around. Then pour some peas into the artichokes. And finish by adding some preserved lemon to decorate, but it's optional. Et voila, the tagine is ready and is absolutely delicious. The sauce is very tasty and the meat and the artichokes melt in your mouth. You can serve it with a nice warm homemade bread that I've already shared with you in my channel. I will leave the link in the description box. Bon appétit! I hope you liked this recipe and don't forget to share the video with your friends and family. Like and subscribe if you haven't done it yet. Thank you, and I'll see you soon for new recipes.